What's going on, guys? In this video I'll show you how to change your inner tie rod. This is what it looks like on your Audi A6 C5. First, of course, we want to jack the car up, so I will do that. If you don't use an impact gun like I use, before you jack the car up, you want to loosen the lug bolts. Okay, so now the tire spins freely. Well, you may also add a jack stand for your safety, you know. If you care that much. Okay. Here we have the outer tie rod, which on my car is in good shape, so I'm not gonna change that. This is the boot that I replaced last week, and we have to take that out, and inside of it is the inner tie rod. This nut here is 16 millimeters, but it has a bolt here. It should not spin, but because mine does, I have to hold it from the back here with a plier. Good. Let me show you. So this is the bolt. You see it has this shape where it should grab it. It should grab on something behind there, and it should not spin on its own. But because this is worn out, it just spins freely inside of there. Now we don't want to take out the outer tie rod yet, because we have to break loose the nut here. Okay. Now we can take the outer tie rod out. Now don't be deceived, because this usually it doesn't come out this easily. You want to count how many turns you take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. Okay. I have to keep that in mind. For the inside part of the boot, if the boot was replaced, usually they put a zip tie. That's what I did as well. You can just stick a flathead screwdriver under it, and you can just take it out. All right. This is brand new. For inner tie rods, there is a special tool that you can use. But if you don't have this tool, you can just use a 38 millimeter wrench. If you turn right all the way on the steering wheel, then the shaft will come here closer, and then you can stick a 38 millimeter wrench and break that loose. And it broke loose. Yep, so this is it. Before you replace your old part, always make sure that your new part is the same. So look at them, compare them, they are the same for me. Good, so what I like to do is put a little bit of grease on these threads here. Okay, that should be fine. If you have a torque wrench, you should tighten this to 80 Newton meters. Right here. Now you just do everything in reverse. If you have this plastic here, it's a pain in the ass to put the zip tie with it, so I will take it out first. Job done.